We're going to look at expanding algebraic expressions in this video, and I just want to show you to start with, when we're expanding this, we have to multiply both of the inside pronumerals in the brackets by the outside number, so or that pronumeral. So a times b is ab, and then we've got two positive numbers, pronumeral, sorry, so it's going to be a positive or plus, and a times c is ac. We can also look at that in a diagram. Okay, let's call this length a, this is going to be b, and that's c. So we can work out both the areas. So for the first part, we have a times b, which is ab. And also, if this length's a here, this length's also going to be a. And then we have now a times c, which gives us ac. So the area of the whole shape will equal ab plus ac. And it's the exact same answer up the top. At a couple of examples. So let's work through a. Okay, so remember, multiply the first term by first what's in the brackets, and then by the second term. So we have 3 times, is a, 3 times 2x, and then we've got a minus 3, plus 3 times negative 6. Okay, that equals 3 times 2x is 6x, plus 3 times negative 6 is minus 18. So that one is simplified. Now let's look at b. Remember, multiply first terms together and then second. So 5y times 2y, okay, plus 5y times 4. Okay, 5y times 2y is 10y squared, plus 5y times 4 is 20y. That's that simplified. Okay, now let's look at c. C you've got to be careful with. Okay, we have negative 2 times 5y plus, well, actually, I'm going to get rid of that plus because it's a minus 2, negative 2, sorry, times negative 3. Okay, so we have negative 2 times 5y is negative 10y. Negative 2 times negative 3 becomes a positive. Remember, two negative multiplied by a negative gives a positive, and that's plus 6. Okay, we're at one final example. Alright, I'm going to rewrite it just so we can expand it a bit bigger. 2, 3y minus 5 minus 3 plus 4y equals. Okay, so remember, multiply by the first term, multiply by the second. I'm going to do this a bit quicker than the last time. So 2 times 3y is 6y. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. Now, this next part, we don't actually have a number out the front here, but what we can do, or just think of, I'm just going to put one there, it's going to be negative 1. So we can always put a 1 there, and that will still work for us. So now we can think about negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. Negative 1 times 4y is negative 4y. So now we need to collect like terms. We have the 6y minus the 4y is 2y, and the minus 10, negative 10 minus 3 will give us negative 13. So that's all there is to expand in. Just remember, you need to multiply by both terms in brackets, okay, inside the brackets, and don't forget that if we have a negative multiplied by a negative, it gives us a positive.